Hello friends and welcome to Anka Classes. So Anka Classes के previous year's questions analysis 2015 to 25 की. Okay, second session for trigonometry 2 marks. Okay, so 2023 da hangiba 2 mark question ama yengasi. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3, then a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. A plus b is 0 degi chauba 90 degi pikpa and a is greater than b, find a and b. Okay, so let us solve. Given it was always write the given statement a plus b is equal to root 3 and a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, now see there is the so we have tan a plus b is equal to root 3 empiram natra adu oitardi tan a plus b is equal to root 3 diga na koina tan 60 degree in evi since tan 60 degree is equal to square root of 3. Now, see the conclusion tarpi then 10 in a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Equation we'll call this equation 1. Natra. Also, pyramid tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Adu oitadi tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 is the tan of 30 degree. Okay, so since tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, now adu the a minus b is equal to 30 degree by the equation so we have two equations. A and b value is equation and solve the okay, equation and solve the so adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, equation 1 and 2 the 1 left hand side a plus b plus a minus b is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree. Adu the brackets a plus b plus a minus b is equal to 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. Now, see this is the b ga minus b is equal to so we have 2a is equal to 90 degree. Implies that a is equal to 90 degree divided by 2. 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45 degree. Is 45 degree. So substituting a is equal to 45 degree in equation 1. Equation 1, the a plus b is equal to 60 degree live now. So we have b is equal to 60 degree minus a. The b is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree, which is equal to b is equal to 15 degree. So therefore, the required value of a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 15 degree. Okay, so sumaina solve the one sigi 2 markers. Okay, so mathang da amok question amok yengsi. Okay, sige jina question see. So, see question in 2025 the 2 marks the hanki. Okay. Prove that square root of 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus cot A. Okay. Now, see trigonometry gi smaina proof lak pasi aikoina hamada yengdoiba potchi karino haiba matamda pirammiba identity sidayda yauriba trigonometric ratio mayamji sin or cos ta sadokpa yabra haise. Okay, so cosec 1 by sin nadra and cot c cos by sin cos by sin. Okay, so c concept is okay, aduga tabrings. Okay, so let us clean this and proceed with the solution. So today is the right hand side. Let's look at right hand side. Right hand side see cosec A minus cot A. The cosec C 1 by sin A minus cot C cos A by sin A. Okay, so we have LCM the equation sin A low B there. There we go. And mathak the kailani 1 minus cos A. Sigi makha the expansion ji yad rahe. Okay, so Sigi makha the expansion ji yad ramne Sigi approach C, it will not be helpful in this case. Okay, adu ita di aikoina approach amamuk yengse. Okay. So see is clear out of Prosico. Now left hand side the whole we have so solution. Okay, so mana left hand side the pyramid is square root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. Okay, see I coina amomom sadopirasi 1 minus cos A and square root of 1 plus cos A. Okay, sigi pot si I coina mataksu makasu 1 minus cos A 1 plus cos A lebisi I coina mataksu makasu 1 minus cos A na multiply toxelasi square root of 1 minus cos N. Okay, so there is a multiplying the numerator and denominator by square root of 1 minus cos A. Okay, now Sigisi when the square root na rationalize to say 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A the 1 minus cos of A square root nina square square root of 1 minus cos A into square root of 1 minus cos A is any nina square line. Now see this the unko see manung the hapsalazi. Okay, so 1 plus cos A habam later and 1 minus cos A habam. Okay, now see this is the 1 minus cos A and sadok pair is the square root to mangrani. Okay, so see makada lazy 1 plus cos A 1 minus cos A z equina A square minus B square and E. Natra karigino Hamilton the since A plus B A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Okay, now see there is the key. Let us continue. Although it is 1 square is 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A hydribacidi I coina combine EBI sin square A and EBI. Yadra. You know, since sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 natra adu oitadi aikoina sine square A is kamai ibi 1 minus cos square A ni ibi. Okay, adu oitadi 1 minus cos A upon sine square root ka square root kangrani we have sine A. Okay, man ani je thugai birasi thugai matamda 1 by sine A minus cos by sine A haiba malaya yani ko. Okay, adu oitadi 1 by sine A di kaino cosec A minus cos by sine A di cot A sigi pot si right hand side ta haiba expression gani. Okay, so hence proved yani ko. So this is how we solve this question. Okay, left hand side tagi solve the. Okay, now I coin hozik last question nama yeng si 2024 da hangiba question nama. Okay, 2024 da hangi again 2 mark sine 18 degree ga sine 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree is kya tagi. Okay, so sidai ja koi ni season agdoriba concept se karino haibada sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos of theta. Okay, so yeng si ko am live question ni solution mana pyramid again sine 18 degree upon cos of 72 degree. Okay, adu oitadi sine 18 degree je koina combine EBI sine 90 degree minus 72 degree in EBI because 90 minus 72 is 18. Nere ko chap mana na makada laijari besidi adum thambiro. Now sine 90 minus theta di kaino koina cos theta ni haidra, so cos of 72 degree in ERA natra since kai birani sideda sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos of theta ina anka holakku matamda aikoina identity season aba mayam jina kan da dum ibira muko. Okay, adu oitadi ma phangbugi ma yam phangbugi chance yam wange. Anyways, sidai is the cos ka ni. Okay, so we'll cancel out this 2 and we get 1 natra, so aikoina kai habi are answer is 1. So this is how you can solve this question. Okay, so with this I quite trigonometry gi 2 marks ki session loshilasi. From next session onwards we will deal with 3 marks ki question khara so dum lai trigonometry da adu gi do amuk discuss tawrasi mathangi session dagi. Okay, so thank you for joining Anka classes. We will meet again.